Picture this, a world where the food you eat can either safeguard your brain or put it in peril, increasing your risk of a debilitating stroke. Astonishing, isn't it? Today we're diving deep into the intricate relationship between the fats you consume and your brain health. We'll peel back the layers to reveal the truth behind the alarming link between certain fats and the heightened risk of stroke. Stay tuned as we navigate through this maze of dietary fats, separating the good from the bad and arming you with the knowledge to protect your most valuable asset, your brain. Welcome once again, respected viewers, to the platform where medical mysteries are unveiled, health myths are busted, and you are empowered to take charge of your well-being. Before we begin, kindly hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to never miss out on our enlightening content. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Our daily dietary choices, particularly the fats and oils we consume, wield an astonishing influence over our brain health and critically our susceptibility to stroke. It is vital to understand that certain fats can pose significant risks, while others offer remarkable protective benefits. Today, we will explore both sides of this coin, identifying 5 fats that are detrimental and 5 that are profoundly healing. The dark side of fats. 5 culprits to shun. Let us first address the fats we should endeavor to avoid. Our first offender is the insidious trans fat, frequently lurking in fried foods, pastries, and products made with partially hydrogenated oils. These are the silent saboteurs, often hiding in processed foods, wreaking havoc on our health without our knowledge. Trans fats ignite systemic inflammation, a body-wide response that increases the risk of chronic diseases. They inflict damage upon our arteries, raising the risk of cardiovascular diseases and inducing an elevation in bad cholesterol, scientifically termed low-density lipoprotein, or LDL. This surge in LDL cholesterol encourages the formation of plaque within our blood vessels, gradually narrowing them and impeding smooth blood flow. Picture this as a clogged pipe restricting the flow of water. Similarly, these blockages impede the delivery of essential oxygen and nutrients to the brain, potentially leading to diminished cognitive function. Moreover, trans fats impair the integrity of our blood vessels, making them more susceptible to tears and ruptures. When these tears occur in areas filled with plaque, they can trigger the formation of blood clots. Imagine a traffic jam of blood cells, halting the flow and potentially reaching the brain. This abrupt blockage starves the brain of much-needed resources, often resulting in the devastating impact of a stroke. Next in line, we encounter saturated fats, prevalent in foods like red meats, full-fat dairy, lard, and certain tropical oils. These fats, when consumed in excess, lead to an increase in low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, the bad cholesterol. This rise in LDL cholesterol contributes to the formation of plaque within our blood vessels, narrowing them and elevating the risk of stroke by impeding blood flow to the brain. Furthermore, high saturated fat intake elevates blood pressure, stressing our arteries and amplifying the risk of rupture. When these ruptures occur, they can instigate the formation of blood clots, potentially traveling to the brain and causing an abrupt blockage. Omega-6 fatty acids, abundantly present in common vegetable oils such as corn, soybean, and sunflower oil, are another critical concern. These oils are staples in processed and fried foods, infiltrating our diets in various forms. While our bodies require a balanced intake of omega-6 for essential functions, the problem arises when the balance tips in its favor. An excessive consumption of omega-6 in comparison to its counterpart, omega-3, triggers a pro-inflammatory response throughout the body. Chronic inflammation sets the stage for plaque formation in arteries, hindering blood flow and elevating stroke risk. Additionally, an imbalance in these fatty acids can compromise the integrity of blood vessels, making them prone to ruptures and subsequent blood clotting. This heightened clotting risk further escalates the likelihood of a stroke. Then there is the treacherous oxidized LDL cholesterol. Often overlooked, this form of cholesterol poses a significant threat to our health. Unlike regular LDL, oxidized LDL is highly aggressive, akin to rusted metal circulating in your bloodstream. it readily adheres to arterial walls, instigating inflammation and accelerating plaque formation. This type of cholesterol is primarily generated when cooking oils, particularly saturated and trans fats, are reused multiple times. Imagine the cumulative damage of reheating oils, each time introducing new stressors that alter the composition of the oil. Fast food establishments often fall into this trap, unknowingly exposing consumers to oxidized LDL. Similarly, the consumption of aged animal fats can introduce this dangerous form of cholesterol into our diets. Finally, we confront hydrogenated oils, a major source of trans fats. These oils are extensively employed in margarines, shortenings, and numerous processed baked goods. The process of hydrogenation alters the structure of liquid oils, rendering them solid at room temperature. But this transformation comes at a cost. Hydrogenated oils not only raise detrimental cholesterol levels, but also depress beneficial cholesterol levels. This dual assault compromises blood vessel health, fostering inflammation and increasing the risk of blood clots. Navigating the labyrinth, identifying healthy fats. With the darker aspects of fats illuminated, let's shift our focus to the brighter side, unveiling the healing fats that hold the key to safeguarding your brain. First on our list are the omega-3 fatty acids. Revered as the stars of the healthy fat realm, omega-3s are abundantly present in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. These essential fats play a pivotal role in combating inflammation, a root cause of numerous chronic diseases. Omega-3s promote smoother blood flow, reducing the risk of blood clots and stroke. Their significance extends to brain health, where they are integral to the structure of brain cell membranes. This direct influence ensures efficient communication between brain cells, bolstering cognitive function and memory. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can harness the power of omega-3s for a healthier brain and overall well-being. Next, we spotlight monounsaturated fats, particularly those found in olive oil, avocados, almonds, and cashews. Renowned for their heart-protective properties, these fats play a crucial role in maintaining brain health. Monounsaturated fats help lower harmful LDL cholesterol while boosting beneficial HDL cholesterol, contributing to cleaner, more flexible blood vessels. This, in turn, enhances blood flow to the brain, supplying it with essential nutrients and oxygen. A steady supply ensures optimal brain function, reducing the risk of cognitive decline and stroke. Polyunsaturated fats are another category deserving of attention. Found in sunflower oil, flaxseed oil, soybeans, walnuts, and sunflower seeds, these fats are essential for overall health. Polyunsaturated fats, including omega-6 as mentioned earlier, are crucial for bodily functions. However, it's essential to maintain a balanced intake, avoiding excessive consumption. In moderation, they can assist in lowering overall cholesterol and triglyceride levels, bolstering heart health and ensuring a robust supply of nutrients and oxygen to the brain. This is vital for memory and mental clarity. Medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, found abundantly in virgin coconut oil, are gaining recognition for their unique benefits. MCTs are rapidly metabolized into ketones, which serve as a readily available energy source for the brain. This direct fuel for the brain has been linked to enhanced cognitive function. Moreover, MCTs are known to diminish oxidative stress, reducing the risk of cellular damage and inflammation. Regular consumption of virgin coconut oil can provide a steady supply of MCTs, contributing to overall brain health. Phospholipids constitute the final category of beneficial fats. These essential components of brain cell membranes are present in egg yolks and soybeans. Phospholipids are crucial for maintaining the flexibility, strength, and communication efficiency of brain cells. Consuming foods rich in phospholipids can help ensure optimal brain function, enhancing memory, attention, and emotional stability. The choice is yours, embracing a healthier future. Armed with this comprehensive understanding of the diverse impacts of fats on our brain health, you are now equipped to make informed dietary decisions. Remember, the fats you choose to incorporate into your daily meals can either fortify or jeopardize your brain's well-being. Prioritizing the consumption of omega-3 fatty acids, monounsaturated fats, polyunsaturated fats, medium-chain triglycerides, and phospholipids can significantly bolster your brain's defenses against ailments like stroke. By doing so, you invest in a future where your brain not only survives but thrives. If you found this information helpful, don't hesitate to share it with friends and family whose well-being you care about. Together, we can build a healthier, more informed community. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy.